Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to CamSec Security Limited's tutorial on how to access your NVR or DVR on Google Chrome web browser. Here we go. So on your desktop, firstly navigate to hikvision.com/UK, go to Support, Tools, Desktop Tools, SADP for Windows. Download this by clicking on that. Clicking on this, agreeing with terms, it will download the tool. Run and uninstall it and run it. You will then have access to this program here, SADP tool. That will then scan your network for all Hikvision devices, and normally you would only have one item, which will be your recorder, which is normally the top one on your list. Mine is 0.200. Navigate to Google Chrome, type in 192.168, whatever yours is. Log in with your username and password. You'll be presented with this screen here. Up here on the top right you will see download plugin. Click to download plugin. It will download the plugin here called local service comp.exe or components. So once you've run that, close this down, then reopen it, and then once you've reopened it and installed it, you should be able to see all your cameras on the screen. Like so, big pardon. There we go. So those are your cameras in live view. You can then standardly double click in to go full screen, double click out to go minimize. If you want to view one screen at a time, you change your buttons here to 1, 4, 16 or 64. It's up to you, however you want to view them. If you have a camera with audio, then highlight the camera that you want to hear the audio on. So you've got a yellow box around it, little microphone button down here. Click on that and unmute it, turn the volume up, and you should hear it in the background if you can. What we've then got is a couple more icons that we're going to quickly run through. So if you want to, let's go single screen on camera with audio. Okay, turn your audio up all the way. You then have an option for digital zoom. So if you hit your digital zoom button, you can then scroll your mouse wheel forwards, or if you've got a pad, then 2 fingers on the pad and then squeeze it in and out, and you can zoom into different areas of the camera. If you then want to screen record or take a picture, you've got a camera icon here. Hit the button, it will save into one of the files. We'll go through that shortly. And conversely, if you want to start recording the clip, start recording there, and as soon as the part of the video you want to record is finished, click it again, it will stop and the recordings are saved here. We will see these shortly. Okay, and that's that for now. On to the next section. Let's have a look. Let's go back to main screen here. So you have playback. So you select your camera. It's mine to come on my front door. Let's have a look at the 4th. Hit search. It will jump to the 4th down here, click playback, it automatically starts at midnight on your search. Fingers crossed we should have some playback. It's now playing back. It was raining on the 4th. Simple as that. Drag through the timeline to whatever time you want. That's now 6 in the morning. Etc, etc. If you then need to download the footage of whatever camera you like, hit your download button. Download the intercom between time and date search. Let's go to 4th between midnight, and the 4th between midnight and let's go midnight and 1 minute 59 seconds. Search it, should be one file. It is. Click on that. It will then download the file directly to your laptop or computer, whatever you're using. I'm going to come back to this once it's finished. Okay, we're nearly there, and once it's downloaded, you'll be able to navigate to wherever it's stored. Now if you go to configuration screen here, you go to local, and you'll see where your download folders are. So my C users Truff web download, whatever this bit here, it will normally say C users, whatever you've called your computer, web, then record files, download files, capture, playback, etc, etc. So we can navigate to that very quickly. C users, draft, web, download. Here's the one we just downloaded. If you have VLC media player, it should play back your footage. And it does, there we go. So that's downloaded. Even though I asked for 1 minute, it's downloaded the entire file that covers the time frame that I wanted. Not a problem. Done. And that's basically it, ladies and gentlemen. The other thing is, if you have an ANPR camera, you can go to your ANPR, search, where is it? It's it again, vehicle detection, always defaults to Czech Republic, make sure you tick all. Let's have a look at all plates today. These are all the plates that have gone past my premises today, 239 of them. Let's have a quick squiz at that. Good stuff. Bits up the land there. Vehicle, etc, etc, etc. You get the picture. One very last thing, ladies and gentlemen, before we finish off today. If you have a camera with audio, VLC player might not do the trick for you because it won't play back the audio. So what you have to do is go back to the Hikvision website, hit the support button, tools, you can hear my cat in the background, and go to desktop tools, VS player for Windows. Once you've downloaded the VS player, same as before, so click on that, download, agree, and it will start downloading the prior file. Then you simply install it, and then you open it up down here, drag in your files, so drag and drop or hit your open file to pull them in, and if you've got audio it will then play them. That's it, thank you very much, take care, bye bye.